This is the same forehead machine as yours. Firstly, I'd like to show you how to do cap embroidery. Firstly, you can see your pages like this. Firstly, we select the cap frame. After you select the cap frame, assemble the cap on the machine. There is a notice that when you take away the cap attachment and assemble the cap attachment, only need to lose these 3 screws. No need to adjust any screws here, okay? Thank you. And then we operate it on the control panel again. We need to select the design. 先选花样，选花样。We need to select the design like this. We want to embroider this on the cap. After we select the design, you see here, this line is in red, which means that this design is too big for the cap. In this situation, you can adjust this design smaller or change the direction of it. 潘哥，你演示一下那个转方向。Here, you can change the design direction according to your needs. After we change it, you can see the design now is within the area, so the lines become green. Okay, after we select the design,
可以选。
别慌，下一步是啥？选颜色是不是？
然后就是进入刺绣。
And then let the machine go into working condition. You can select the color you want. This design have 10 colors, so you choose the color from 1 to 10. Choose the color you want from the thread on at this place.
我是这样子的啊，第一个。
随便选都可以。
然后它跟着那个换的。
You see, every time you choose a color, it will show on the design. After you select the color, press OK. 然后那个距离要不要调？
距离就是这样的预览一下。
Then you can check border of the area you want it embroidered.
这个就是那个远门或者。
This will show the outline of the design. You see? In this way, you can see where is the area. If the position is not you want, you can adjust it by these buttons to move it right, left, upward, and downward. After you finish these steps, you can press start button to make the machine working.